to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be making this beautiful lunch bag. It's a character lunch bag with front pocket, and this is the main part of the lunch bag where you can put your lunch box, your water bottle, and other things. So this lunch bag is made from tappeta. So I use tappeta material. It has two handles, so you see you can put your handle like this. Is the shorter handle, and it also have a longer handle if you want to carry it on your shoulder, and it's adjustable. You can make it longer or shorter. All right, let's get started. We need two pieces of this material. They're of the same measurement, and as I mentioned, this is tappeta. So the length of our material is 23 by 11 inches. So we need marco also, and 2. So we reduce the length and the breadth by 1 inches. So next thing we need now is our line for the piping. Next we need our lining. So this lining is waterproof. So we'll be needing a zipper. I already fixed the 2 zip head to it. So we need a cartoon character. So the material, you cut it exactly the same measurement with your cartoon character. So we also need a long handle. As I said, is of 2 handle. So the longer handle is 45 inches. So these are the shorter handle. They're of the same measurement, and the length is 23 inches. 23 inches. So these are ring. Lastly, we need the adjuster. So we'll place the cartoon character on the material like this, and then we stitch it up round. So we pipe it up like this, just the top. We stitch it straight. So this is the front material. Make sure it's on the right side. So now we'll be cutting out the side of the lunch bag, and the measurements we'll be using for the side is 6 inches. So now we'll measure 6 inches downward. 6 inches. After that, we roll it, and then we cut. So this is it. Next, now we're going to fold it into 2 equal half. Make sure it's equal so you can get the middle. So we notch it. So now from this notched point, we measure 2.5 inches, and you come down by 3.5 inches. For the other side also, we use the same measurement, 2.5 inches, and you come down by 3.5 inches. So we'll be attaching one of our short handle. Already sew this hand holder to it. If you don't know how to make it, you'll find the link in the description box and in the first comment. So we'll place it on the material like this. Take note of what you mark so it will be equal. So we'll place the second one also, and after that we just stitch it up like this. So you sew it like this so it can be very firm. So that is it for this. So now for the sides, make sure it's on the right side, and then we notch it to get the middle also. So from this notch point, We are going to measure 2 inches downward, 2 inches downward, and then we pick our ring and we're going to insert this rope like this and place it on the mark point. So we stitch it round and repeat the same thing here. So we'll fold our pocket into two and we notch the down part, we notch the middle. So we'll place it on this and we stitch it up, and we'll also trim out the excess material. So these are the sides. We'll place it like this, right side facing each other. Please take note of that. You place the right side facing each other and then we stitch it up. So we'll place our material on the lining like this, and after doing that we sew it round, leaving one part open. So now we're going to pipe it the top straight, and after that we place it on our zipper cloth like this, and then we stitch it up. So now we insert our marco or foam and then stitch it up. So now we want to remeasure everything. So the side is now 5.5 inches. So 5.5 inches. So now we notch the marked point. If you've watched to this extent and you're yet to subscribe, click the subscription button on your screen so as you can get more useful video like this. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So we notch the middle also. So now we measure this part to know what is left. So it's 10 inches. So we have 5.5, 10 inches. So now we measure 5.5 inches on the back material. So this will be the cover. So we roll it up. So now we are going to measure this place to see what is left. We have 11.5 inches. So that is what we'll measure here. 11.5 inches. You have to measure this. Don't just use my measurements. It can be different from yours. So use the measurements you get. So now we roll it up. So this part will be the back. So now let's check if we are left with 5.5 inches. And if not, we remark the 5.5 inches. So this will be the base. So let's roll it up. So we trim the excess off. Now we're going to notch the mark point. If you know you're learning anything from this video, give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. So it's very important that you notch. So this is what we have. Remember, we measure from this point to this point to be 10 inches. So that is what we use for this part. We make sure it's the same measurement. We mark out 10 inches also. Now we rule. And then we cut. So let's re-notch the mark points because of this part I cut off. So we fold it into two so we can notch the middle also. So we notch this part also. So now for this notch point, we are going to measure 2.5 inches and we come down by 3.5 inches. Repeat the same thing here. From the notch point, you mark 2.5 inches and you come down by 3.5 inches. So we place the second and the shorter one. We place it like this and then we stitch it up. So now we place our material on the lining and then we stitch it up, leaving one part open. So we insert our marco and close it up. So we want to fold it. You hold the two notch points together like this and then we fold it. You press the marco inside and you repeat the same thing. The two notch points. You make sure your line is very straight. So you press it inside like this. So this is what we have. So we'll be coupling the two material together now. You take note of the notch point and you place your zipper to it like this. After doing that, you clip it up. So if all things are correct, the tip of your material will be the same with the notch part of the zipper. So we fold it this way and clip everything. So what to make you know that what you're doing is correct is when the notch points meet each other. Immediately you are seeing some difference, you have to re-examine everything again before you stitch it up. So now we just clip everything up. So we stitch it round like this. Stitch everything up. So now we pipe it round, starting from here. We go this way. Make sure you do it like this. And then we stop at the point where we started. Lastly, we'll be attaching the longer handle. So we put it inside the ring like this. We fold the tip and stitch it up. So for the second part, we'll be using our adjuster. You place it inside like this. And then we pass it through the ring and bring it out from the divider. I'm trying to make room. So we bring it out from the divider like this. We fold the tip and stitch it up. Our lunch bag is ready. So this is the front pocket and this is the main parts of the lunch bag. Looking so neat, isn't it? If you agree with me, make sure you leave a lovely comment in the comment section below. So this is the shorter handle with the handle holder. I already said if you don't know how to make it, you will find the link in the comment section and in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.